Hello everyone, my name is Nagamalika. I am studying 3rd BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today in this video, I am going to explain you a simple project which is sports management system. This project designed for two types of users, admin and player. The system allows you to manage sports sessions, view reports, create and join sessions, and handle cancellations. The project uses node.js, express.js for rendering HTML views, and postgre SQL as a database to store sports sessions, users, and other related data. Let me explain you about the authentication. The login process checks whether the user credentials are valid. If correct, the session is initiated and the user is directed to the respective dashboard. If the user is a new user, he can register by providing the name, email, password, and role as admin or player. The password is hashed using the bcrypt.js to ensure security. And the session mechanism is handled by the express session to store user data and maintain logged in state across page requests. And here are both admin and player. So let me explain you about the admin dashboard. Admins can view a list of sports available in the system. Admins can view all sessions including details about teams, players, venue, and cancellation status. Admins can also delete the sessions. Admins can add new sports to the system. This is done via a form where the name of the sport is entered and the admin submits it to the backend. Admins can view detailed reports including the list of sessions and popularity of sports. Now let us come to about player dashboard. Players can view all the sessions that have joined. Player can also see sessions details like sports, teams, date and venue. Players can also view available sessions that they have not joined. They can join these sessions by clicking a join button. Player can create their own sports session by providing the sports teams, venue and date details. Players who created a session can cancel it by providing a reason for cancellation. Both admin and player can create new sessions specifying the sports team, venue and date, and number of additional players. Players can join a session if they want. If they do not want, if they have joined it already, they no need to join the session. There are checks to ensure player cannot join sessions that are in the past. The creator of a session can cancel it and provide a reason. Cancelled sessions will be marked with the cancellation reason visible to all the users. Here is also a report space which can be visible to the admins. Admins can see this table listing all sessions along with their details such as sports, teams, date and venue. A table shows the popularity of each sport based on the number of sessions created for each. Here I have used postgre SQL database. So let me tell you about that. The database stores all the essential information about users, sports, sessions and session players. The structure includes tables like users, sports, sessions, session players, etc. SQL queries are used to retrieve data from the database for rendering views and handling from submissions. For example, select queries fetch sports, sessions and session players, while insert, update and delete queries are used for adding, updating or removing records. We have used the get routes and post routes. Get route. These routes are used to render pages like the login page and dashboard, where dashboard consists like admin and player and reports. Post routes. These handle from form submissions like login, registration, session creation, joining a session and cancellation. Here the middleware is authenticated and prevent joining past sessions. And the postgre database is queried to fetch sports, sessions and users. SQL queries are executed using node.js, a Postgres client for the node.js. Data is fetched asynchronously to prevent blocking the main thread and it's passed to view EJS for rendering. So this is how the code. So let me show you the output regarding this code. Click on control space. So let me explain you detailedly about these pages. The login page allows user to log in with their email and password. It validates the user's credentials against the data in the database and upon success redirects the user to the respective dashboard. The dashboard may be admin or player. The registration page contains a new user can sign up by providing their name, email, password and role. The password is hashed before storing it in the database, ensuring user credentials are securely stored. After registration, the user is redirected to the login page. Again, the user can log into the dashboard or either player dashboard. Admin dashboard. If the user is going to be as an admin for any sports, he opens the admin dashboard. The admin can view all the sports sessions and manage them. They can also create new sports and delete sessions. If the user is a player and he wants to play any game, the player dashboard. So players can see the sessions they have joined, create new sessions, and view available sessions to join. There is also a report space where admin can handle it and can see. Admins can view session details and sports popularity reports, which help in analyzing the data regarding different sports and sessions. So in order to build this data, I have used the tech stack that are node.js, express.js, EJS, and postgre express session. The main PostgreSQL is a relational database for storing the user sports sessions and related data. This project provides a comprehensive sports management platform where admins and players can manage sports sessions. It handles user authentication, session creation, and management, and generates useful reports for admins. The use of Node.js and PostgreSQL ensures that the system is scalable and performs well for multiple users and sessions. This project is a very useful project which can be used for the sports management system that allows administrators and players to manage the sports sessions effectively. So it also includes a features for creating, joining, and managing the sports sessions where you can make everyone use, like players or admins both can manage this and both can handle this, and reports can also be seen by the admin where the data can be analyzed